when we're talking about multi-channel, really, what is that? A sample campaign with seller outreach, right? We're not going to touch on referral prospects today. This is just an overview, but with seller outreach, it should look something like, if you have a flyer going out, if you're doing that there's not going to be any data to track, right? So you'll send the flyer, and then maybe the next week you send an email, right? And you reference the flyer a week after the flyer lands, not after you mail it, right? So after the flyer lands, you'll send an email a week later, reference the flyer, state your value proposition, and then you follow up with a call, right? And then you can have the social touch. So you can have, LinkedIn, you can pull them into your network. Then maybe you wait, you get some posting and engagement so they can see you posting on an ongoing basis. Your posting is designed to establish you as a qualified authority in your niche. So they're seeing that you're proving your qualifications, and you're reinforcing. And then ideally you get them into your newsletter, which will go out at least once a month. And that will go out to your network of business owners and ideally referral prospects. And then you'll have a strategic email, which is designed for conversion, because you know that all of these automated activities have been helping to move them down the funnel, have been helping to familiarize your prospect with who you are and what you do, and et cetera. Then maybe you have a LinkedIn message offering something valuable, right? So if you're pursuing an HVAC company, you have exit tips for an HVAC company, or what buyers are looking for when they're assessing the valuation of an HVAC company, something that's genuinely helpful. LinkedIn is a great platform for value, not selling, not closing. So if you offer something value on LinkedIn, and then you follow up on email with a more closey, do we want to get a meeting email, followed by a call based on data, this is just a very general example of what a multi-channel campaign will look like. But the key here is that every subsequent stage is based on the data from previous stages. So that last call, point 10, where we're saying use data, you should be able to see everything, like the entire life of your prospect, the entire life of your leads. You should be able to see what posts have they actually engaged with over time. Did they get the snail mail flyer? If you sent out an email, did they open it? Did they open it 4 times? Did they open it twice? Right? Ideally, you have sales tasks that are based on engagement. So if somebody did actually open up a sell your business email 4 times, a sales task was definitely created for that. So that part is automated. We'll show you how to do that with outreach.